Assembly instructions. Press the child lock inwards and flip the lid upwards. Remove the two hooks for support feet and for telescopic rods from inside the unit. Open the lock buckle on both sides. Then lift the front shell of the product upwards to stretch the fabric. Press and rotate the telescopic rod movable head downward into the slot. Then insert the telescopic rod into the telescopic pulse slot on the bottom of the product. Push the telescopic rod into the inside of the shell and then rotate the telescopic rod movable head so that it pops out of the slot. Repeat the above steps until the assembly of 4 telescopic rods is completed. Align the positioning column of the support foot with the positioning hole and insert it into the assembly position of the bottom shell support foot. Finally, you can install the hooks into the hook slots. Operating instructions. Place the towel warmer on a flat and stable surface. Hang the towel on the hooks and then close the lid. Short press the on and off button. The indicator light will turn on and the display will show 0 blinking. If no operation occurs, the unit will automatically enter heating mode after blinking 5 times. The heat and time indicators will light up and the display will show 1 hour, indicating a 60-minute countdown. When the display blinks 0 after powering on, press the mode button to select between heating mode and drying mode. The corresponding mode indicator will flash. Then press the time button to select a working time. Note: after selecting a mode, set the timer while the time indicator is blinking. If no action is taken after it blinks 5 times, the time indicator will turn solid and further adjustments will be disabled. The default heating time is 1 hour, and the default drying time is 3 hours. After the corresponding indicators flash 5 times, the unit will automatically start. The indicator will remain lit during operation and turn off when the cycle is completed. When the display shows 0 and is blinking, press the delay button. The delay indicator will flash, and the display will show the scheduled start time. Each press increases the delay by 30 minutes, up to 24 hours maximum. After setting the delay, press the mode button to select a working mode, then set the desired working time. The time indicator will blink 5 times and then stay on. The unit will begin the selected operation after the delay period ends, then display and count down the working time.